Internal refurbishment meant we were replacing all the radiators and ancillary equipment, but the boilers were old and well past their sell-by date. The project was to upgrade and give us more controllability over heating throughout the building.
The installation process was tricky because we had 6 weeks to get the heating system from an old operational system to a brand new plant room completely refurbished. Ideal Commercial was the first port of call. Having confidence that they could provide us with a product that would, number one, do the job, and number two, would support us going forward in the future. We were hemmed in quite a bit as far as what we could and couldn't do. Everything was against us. We needed things on time, on site, ready for us to be installing, and yeah, every box was ticked with the full support of Ideal Commercial. The Evomax was chosen because of the plant room location mainly. They were small enough, compact enough to make them work in the room without having too much disruption to other areas of the building. The old boiler was a 500 kilowatt. By the time we'd done the calculations, we needed some extra power requirement, so we went for the 150 Evomax.
The overall end user experience has been significantly better. In the winter, we've got models who are shooting swimwear for the summer, and in the summer, we've got models shooting fur coats for the following winter. So we need controllability, and the Evomax boilers have been very good with that because they respond very, very quickly to the demand we place on them.
Definitely recommend Ideal Commercial. There's been no other relationship with any other boiler manufacturer like it. From the sales team right back to the technical team, the after sales puts confidence into the client rather than it just being a box that they've sold and forgotten about. With one phone call to one person, we can take multiple boxes, which makes my life easy.